Hello everyone, I am S.VIDYAVAThi, Assistant Professor, PG and Research Department of Computer Science. Today we are going to see about introduction of microprocessor using 8085. So there is a small agenda here. First we have to see about the definition of microprocessor and features of microprocessor and pin configuration, pin diagram of 8085 and some other control lines and pin diagram. So here the first one was the definition of microprocessor. So what is meant by microprocessor means it is a central processing unit that which are fetched into a single chip. So each and every data have been entered into a single chip is called as microprocessor. This data, single chip data are having some integrated circuit. It is called as IC pin. Okay, it is the functional component of CPU. Mainly it is focused on arithmetic and logical units and control units and some other register also it is used. So next one is the 8085 microprocessor is an 8-bit microprocessor. Moreover, it is constructed with 8-bit microprocessor that includes its chip most of the logic circuitry for performing the task and communicating with peripherals. Then next one was features of 8085 microprocessor. The features of 8085 microprocessor consists of 8-bit microprocessor. 8-bit microprocessor consists, it means it is used to read and write the process data using 8-bit wide values. Next one was 8 data lines and 16 address lines. 8 data lines is used to transfer the data using input and output signals. Then 16 address lines is also used to access the values from 216 is it is in binary, so binary or in memory locations. The 216 value is easy to evaluate as 16 power values, so which is equal to 64 KB. Next one was clock frequency. Clock frequency consists of 3 megahertz. Using its speed should be in 3 million cycles per second. The 3 megahertz should be in 3 million cycles per second to control the fast and to run the instructions. Power supply is used. Power supply is used by the basics of plus 5 volt DC supply to operate. So DC supply, it means dynamic current. Next one was the NMOS technology. The NMOS technology means it stands for N is a channel metal oxide semiconductor technology and contains about 6200 transistors inside it. The N means the channel metal oxide semiconductor transfers the data and receive the data from the source code. Okay. Next one was 74 instructors and 5 addressing mode. The 74 instructor performs the task by using 8085 supports the data. What are the tasks that we are performing is based on the 8085 supports. So next one was that for using these commands there are 5 ways of addressing mode is used here. Interrupts means there is an interrupt concept. Interrupts means it is consists of 5 hardware interrupts and 8 software interrupts. The 5 hardware interrupts are basically used for external device such as keyboard and timer, and 8 software interrupts consists of instruction to trick the program and are used. Next, the key components of microprocessor are arithmetic logical unit and control unit and register are used, and data bus, address bus and control bus are used. So arithmetic and logical used for arithmetic operations, it means addition, subtraction, etc. Okay, next the control unit are used to for operations like logic gates and NOR, XOR gates. Okay, register means a small memory location. It is used to store the intermediate data. What are the data we are storing? It is a small memory locations. So data bus is used to transfer the data from one place to another place. Address bus is also used to carry the memory address of the data. So control bus carries to control the signals from the data to stored. Pin configuration. Pin configuration consists of 17 pins. It is a basic concept of input and output data used in microprocessor. It consists of 40 pins. It is classified into 6 groups. The first one was data bus, and the second one was address bus. Third one was control and status lines. Fourth one was extremely it is generated. Fifth one was serial interface, and sixth one was power supply and clock is used. In pin diagram, this is the pin diagram configuration. Here we can see address data bus from AD0 to AD7, and in this line we can use AD15 also. Still it is starting from AD1 to AD15. Okay, it is address data bus. What is the purpose of using this address bus is the microprocessor of 8085 has 16-bit address lines from 815 to A8 and AD7 to AD0. These lines are used to transfer 16-bit address lines of memory as well as 8-bit address of input and output ports. Next one was data bus. The lower 8 lines is used here. It is started from AD7 to AD0. It is called as multiplex data lines. Next one was RD. RD means reading a data. So it is all based on control lines. So these data is active, consists of low signal, which indicates that the selected input or output or memory devices to be read and also is available on the data bus. So read data is available on the data bus. Next one was WR. It is known as write. This is active low signal, which indicates that the data and data bus are to be written in their selected memory locations. The write command is used in selected memory locations with the low signals. Next one was input and output or memory. It is used to select either input device or memory operations. When it is in high and it indicates the input and output operation. When it is low, it indicates memory location. When it is in high speed, it indicates input and output operation. When it is low, it uses a memory operation. Next one was the status line. Status line starts from S1 and S0. The microprocessor have two pins, S1 and S0. Okay, so which is used to indicate the status of microprocessor or operation which is performed by microprocessor. Thank you.